Assalamu alaikum. As promised, I wanted to walk everyone through a generally quick tutorial on a number of ways I continue using ChatGPT to help with my Arabic. So there's a couple of things to note first of all. So right now you're looking at ChatGPT on the desktop. So you can download the desktop app on the ChatGPT website, on OpenAI's website. Now, what I'm going to be showing is a couple of different techniques that I use, but I'm going to have to hop over to the desktop version, sorry, the web version, because you can't create GPTs inside of the desktop version. So here's what we're going to go to do. You're going to go load up ChatGPT, and you'll see on the left here a number of different things. You'll see the classical Arabic translator, you'll see Arabic mnemonic generator, and you'll see Arabic grammar teacher. So what these all are custom GPTs that you could create. They're pretty simple to create. I'll show you how to do it. And all you need to do is you go to Explore GPT and you can create a custom GPT. So I'll walk you through how to do that, but let me walk you through what some of them do. So the first one we're going to look at is the Arabic mnemonic generator. So what does that do? It allows you to take an Arabic word and help you memorize it. So let's go with the first one, rattaba, which means to organize. Now, what it's going to give you is saying, imagine that a rat wearing glasses is scurrying around a desk with papers everywhere, and it's organizing these papers. This way, you can remember that, rattaba, yurattibu, that this verb, this is what it means. It means to organize. And you can use this for any word. So I actually have Quizlet open. So let's say you have mur, right? Bitter. We'll copy this word and we'll put it over here. Let's say, what's the best way for memorizing the word mur? You put it in and all of it, and it will give you both the definition. Mur, imagine you're sipping a cup of tea and suddenly a mooing cow bursts into the room shouting, "Too bitter." The cow looks annoyed and starts pouring sugar into the cup. The sound murr reminds you of the mooing of a cow and the bitter taste of the tea. So, like moo reminds you of a cow, so murr, right? The cow is drinking tea and it's bitter, and so that's supposed to remind you that the word murr means bitter. So these are mnemonics that you can use, and the way I created it is pretty straightforward. So here's how you do it. And what I will do is I'll actually link my mnemonic, and you can use this as well. All I did is made it so that if you're a English speaker, and for myself, I've also added Urdu in there, and I've also added like slang, like Gujarati, Hindi in there, right? So that it can use words that sound very similar to like dialect in Hindi or Urdu that I know. And it can also use English to help me with mnemonics. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to Explore GPTs. You're going to create a GPT. Then you're going to go over here. It's going to go to Create. And you're just going to type in, I'd like to create a Arabic mnemonic generator, and I can speak Urdu and Gujarati as well. I am learning Arabic. Fusha, please translate the word as well as provide me a, say, vivid image or description that helps me remember the word. So what this is going to do, you're going to tell it, and then it's going to basically start doing a configuration of what this bot should be. It's going to update the GPT, it'll give it a name, it'll give it all sorts of different things, and once you have it, right, it's called Arabic Mnemonics Translator with vivid imagery, and then you could go over to config, and you'll see what it's set up here, right? And it'll give you all the different mnemonics. Now, at the bottom, you'll see a number of different things here, which is like a knowledge base of files that you can upload. And you can have capabilities for web search, Canvas, DALL-E. We don't need to worry about that right now. And for knowledge, I'm going to show you one other quick tip right after this. Maybe I'll make another video for it. But for now, let's focus on the mnemonic generator. So you'll see that now, let's say I've got the word kitab, or let's do tawila. Give me a vivid image for tawila, for table, and it'll give you a mnemonic. Imagine a tawila as a tall table with 4 sturdy legs, waving like arms. Now, I don't really like this because it's not really exactly what I'm looking for, but you have to design it how you want it to be. So in my case, the Arabic mnemonic generator that I've created, I gave it a little bit more structure, and I wanted the input to be in a certain way and the structure to be in a certain way. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to share this link and this will be public, so anybody can use it, and it's in the GPT store. It's called the Arabic Mnemonic Generator. You're welcome to use it. All I ask is that you make dua for me and make dua that, my Arabic increases along with yours. So that's the first video. Next video, I'm going to show you what's the best way to create a bot so that you can study Arabic for yourself. So for example, right here, I've created a semester project for my usul class in which I'm studying Arabic. And I've got a number of different things that I've got going. So for example, I asked it to give me a 3 to 4 paragraph story, and it'll give me a story back based on the vocab words that I've provided. So based on that, I've created project files. So let's look for my next video. I'll do that next time, and I'll walk you through how to create a project, how to put in files into a project, how to use something like a Quizlet to export some of those vocab words, put it into a project, and then upload it to ChatGPT, and then be able to use it as like a custom GPT to quiz you on your vocab and the things that you need to learn for your class or whatever you're doing. So I hope that helps you. Look forward to the next video. Assalamu alaikum.